Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'm going to show you how to add face detail and shaping to your amigurumi projects. It's really not as difficult as you would think, and in my opinion it gives it a more professional finish. I'm going to be using my flamingo as an example. If you'd like to have a go at making it, you'll find the link to all of my patterns in the description below. Okay, so I'm going to begin by adding some eyelashes. So working from the centre of the eye, I'm going to count 2 rounds just there. And the next one I'm going to place in the same round, 1.5 stitches above, and the third one 1.5 stitches above again in the same round. Now I need to place the pins on the other side. Exactly the same, counting back 2 rounds from the centre. There's 1, 2. Just check that looks right. And then working in the same round, 1.5 stitches up. Now that's more like 2 stitches. That's better. And the third one, 1.5 stitches above again in the same round. That looks good. So I'm using embroidery thread for this project, and I've cut a piece about 20 inches long. And I'm going to begin by sewing through the bottom of the head and through the stitch where I place my first pin. I'm going to leave a tail here long enough to tie off at the end. And now I'll sew right in the centre, just here, and across to the next pin. Back through this same stitch and up to the third pin just here. And now back through the same stitch again and across to the other side. And now I'll find the centre of this eye. Up to this pin. Through the same stitch here and up to the last pin. And through this stitch one last time. Out through the bottom of the head finishing through the same stitch I started. Yep, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to use my needle to reshape around here. And now all I need to do, tie a double knot . Being careful not to pull too tight. I don't want those eyelashes to disappear into the face. And now weave in the ends. One over here. Trim that end nice and close to the face. And weave in the other end in the opposite direction. Trim this end. And it's done. See how easy that was? So now I'm going to show you how to give the face a little shape, also known as sculpting. I'm going to use pale pink for a contrast, and I've cut myself a piece about 10 inches long. Now, because I want the eyes to sink towards the back of the head, that's where I'm going to begin sewing. And then I sew through as close to the eye as possible, right in the centre at the top just there. Not forgetting to leave a tail. And then I'll sew nice and close again at the bottom of the eye, all the way across to the other eye, and then the same position as the first one, just here. And now I'll find the centre of this eye at the top just there, back through the head, making sure I go through the same stitch that I started. And now all I need to do is pull these tails, and you can pull them as much or as little as you like. And now I'm going to tie these tails in a double knot. And you'll notice that I pull them nice and tight to make sure those sunken eyes stay in position. And then weave in the ends. There's the first one. And the other one in the opposite direction. Trim nice and close to the head. And there you have it. It really is as simple as that. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more. And feel free to leave a comment. And I will see you next time.